Hey guys, sanibona. So I'm watching the recent episode of Kwababa and uMusa uxabana nobhuti wakhe uZwelakhe. Manje ngihleli lana ngiyacabanga ukuthi should it happen ukuthi uZwelakhe akuyena kaMkhize, and that automatically places uMusa as the rightful heir of the business and everything and the whole empire kaMkhize, like uyena i-firstborn kaMkhize because uZwelakhe is a nobody. So lonto leyo izobe isho ukuthini? Izobe isho ukuthi uMusa unelungelo lokuclaim ukuthi wena phuma ebhizinisini likababa wami and then mina ngithathe over. Do you understand? Hey guys, I think and it's not just that. We think that might happen, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before continuing with the video, I would like to request you guys to like and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching. So there's an episode of Kwababa almost as demanding money from Zwelakhe. And Zwelakhe amtshela ukuthi baba, hamba usebenza uma ngabe uthi ufuna imali. UMusa uthi angiyenzi mina le nto le. Imali yami le, imali kababa wami lo, nami ngowakamkhize, so ngifuna imali yami without even working for it. Now baxabene and kuphela uZwelakhe shaya uMusa, mshaya ngenqindi wamkhini ngaphansi. Now I'm realizing here ukuthi since uZwelakhe did a DNA test recently nenganza kubo ekuMusa no Khethi uthi now should it happen kube ukuthi uZwelakhe akuyena kaMkhize njengoba isangumashilo, mhlawumbe abuya ama DNA results atholakala ukuthi uZwelakhe akuyena kaMkhize wena. Do you understand ukuthi the next person in line ukuthi kuzoba it's either umhlaba noma uMusa, and umhlaba ngiyakwazi ukuthatha over because umhlaba wale ukuthi, and I think ukuthi he'll be more on Zwelakhe's side this time around. So uMusa umuntu is going to take over the family business because uthi ibusiness kababa wami leli. So if kuthi wena awuyena kaMkhize for business ngababa wami, I'm taking over. So if uMusa is taking over, that means ukuthi uZwelakhe impilo kaZwelakhe isazobheda by the look of things, and I'm worried at this point. I saw Baba Pahumi speaking to his brothers, begging them ukuthi aba-accept amalobola avela kaMkhize. Now if yami ukuthi uzothi kusawolotsholwa lapha la excited khona ukuthi uZwelakhe is finally bringing izinkombo laphayana kaMtahongi, vele kutholakala ukuthi uZwelakhe awuyena kaMkhize. Do you see ukuthi now that whole lobola negotiation will have to stop? uZwelakhe aqale phansi thola isibongo sakhe ayilobola uPahumi ngokwesibongo. Guys, let's show you some stress high kancane. So comment down in the comment section, share what's in now. What do you think about this whole story? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even no TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.